You may be accused of murder, of torture, but you may still manage a lavish life inside the prison. It appears to be a reality if you're a popular face in the film industry. Remember actor Darshan, who was accused of torture and murder of a fan, Renuka Swami, with his hired men who he had hired to attack him. Look at the images and visuals. These are undated, but are going viral, but there's a proof. You see that man in grey? That is actor Darshan. And he's sitting next to a gangster. Do they look like they're in a prison? They appear to be drinking some beverage. We would like to believe that it's possibly tea or coffee, but who knows, it could be much more. Then there is a cigarette also with actor Darshan. Are prisoners given this sort of facilities so easily? On the other side, you also see there was apparently a video call that was made from the prison. And because that has also surfaced, many are asking, that easy to have a mobile phone and chat like nothing has happened and inside the cell. He was speaking to an aide is what we are told on video call. Now, in the latest, of course, because this has come to light, the jail authorities are being questioned. This is, the prison is in Karnataka. But remember, the fact is, nobody else, or usually prisoners do not get the kind of facilities. They may get a moment of break or a relief. But to be sitting, chatting, cigarettes, beverages, video calls, this isn't really a part, at least not when you're accused of brutal torture and murder of an innocent person. Joining me, S. Prakash from the Bharatiya Janata Party, because this has taken political tones as well. Mr. Prakash, good morning. You tell me, that should we see this as something uncommon? Do you think government and the prison authorities must take immediate cognizance of it? What do you think is the part that's most shocking here in these images and videos?
It clearly signifies jail reforms have not taken place even after the Shashikala incident in the past, and a person who is charged with a gruesome murder and assault are being extended 5-star facility inside the jail premises. Jail authorities have no fear of law or the public outrage. It is very sad. The Home Minister is sleeping and his subordinates are enjoying illegally, breaking all the rules and laws of this country.
How do you think this should be taken up by the government? This may not be political directly, but do you think that this is something that the government must ensure is not repeated? Because I think of the father here of Renuka Swami watching this, thinking my son, for a social media post, was tortured and killed, and the accused is enjoying a cigarette and tea in the jail.
See, what's happening inside the jail is always a intriguing. Such acts are brazenly committed repeatedly. The government should evolve a policy and take steps to initiate such incidents do not reoccur. But as I said, even in the past, several such videos had come out, but no action was taken. Temporarily, 1 or 2 will be suspended, and there is the matter. Let us not look at into the political angle. Let the jail reform take place in an earnest way is my demand.
Right. Thank you very much, Mr. S. Prakash. Appreciate you joining us. I want the viewer to just take a look at the visuals that we are going to put out before I go to my colleague on the ground. There's an image. It's an undated image, but it's confirmed that it's actor Darshan sitting, enjoying what appears to be a beverage in his hand. But if you look closely, as we did, there was also a cigarette in the fingers. And then, that's not all. Sitting next to him, of course, is another prisoner, and that also is a gangster. We'll put that image on the screen right now to show you that undated image that has been going viral, but which has been confirmed. And then there is a video call also right now on your screen from inside the prison, speaking, laughing, enjoying, having a good time. I bring in Anaga here. Anaga, you're tracking the reactions on this. Any details of what the prison authorities have had to say? Because is this common? Is this something that I've missed perhaps is allowed in the prison, especially if you're a murder accused?
Moment, two top officers from the prison department, at the moment, 2 top prison officers from the prison department have been deployed to indeed find out what's the reality. When was this, when was this visual taken? How is it that somebody from inside jail has access to phones when there are jammers installed everywhere inside Parappan Agrahara prison. So all these details will be tracked down, is what we are hearing from sources from inside the prison. They are having the investigation underway. In fact, Home Minister Dr. G. Parameshwar, where we are reporting from, that's his residency, is yet to comment on this issue. But indeed, Pooja, if these visuals are officially verified, then it's a huge embarrassment for the entire prison department and the
And
home
also,
department.
again, like you're mentioning a word here that this has surfaced. It clearly was not the first and only time this was happening. I want to bring in, stay on with me, Anaga. I want to bring in Brinda Adige, a social rights activist who's joining me right now. Brinda, what should one make of this image or video? If someone watching this right now and saying, can't a prisoner be allowed a video call? Can't they even enjoy a tea or a coffee in the jail? What would you say to that?
I would love for them to have all of this as part of their human rights if this is the same facility that is extended to every other under trial or convicted prisoner.
Correct.
But that is not the case. The case here is an actor who has abused his power, the fan who trusted and had confidence in him, tortured and murdered him. Then he goes to jail and he is having a vacation at the cost of the state exchequer. And all of these video calls, having fun. Well, what is a jail for? A jail is to be punished because you committed a crime, you are going through something. Some of your luxuries are cut off. Some of your rights will be curtailed. You cannot be moving around having an evening tea and a morning coffee and a chat with friends. I know that if we go to the central jail, families, wives and children wait in long lines to meet their loved ones for about 5 to 10 minutes in a crowded place. And here is this man sitting in some kind of a garden-like space. Now, if that is not incorrigible atrocity by the jail authorities and this fellow and his gang, what else is it?
It's an important point, and I'm glad that you mentioned it, that this is clearly not what is common, and activists or those who've had, even journalists who've been able to, for some reason, be able to go into a jail and see what the ongoings have been. This is not normal. And it's not supposed to be normal, but is it because a certain VVIP entitlement that you're a reputed actor comes with it? Brinda, I want to thank you for the latest on that. More reactions are coming in, but also because it's a Congress-ruled state, the Bharatiya Janata Party is stepping up ante. We have a reaction coming in from the BJP spokesperson. Let's listen into that.
Special treatment that Karnataka Congress government gives to criminals, it also shows the kind of rot in the system that is prevalent inside Karnataka police and Karnataka jails under the control of Karnataka Congress government. Rahul Gandhi talks about Nyaya in the entire country, and they are giving Anyaya to the victim, and they are giving special privileges and VVIP treatment to a person accused of murder. This is their true face.